Hi, welcome back to the another video. Before proceeding for a video, I do recommend you to read the comment to know more about the upcoming videos on various opportunity and to never miss any updates. Please subscribe to our channels and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any update. Thank you.
Hi, if you are a science student or researcher, then you are quite familiar with this terminology: scientific writing, scientific communication, pitching your data to high impact factor research journal, and about research ethics and how to become a peer reviewer and how to handle peer review process. These are the few skills each of us do require to learn during the research journey and academic journey. Nowadays, this is a $1 million market because every institute and every researcher publishing lots of research article and their work. You are quite familiar with the ins and outs of peer review processes and the hard work behind the each hard impact factor publication. But there are many of us do not have a privilege on getting trained in these skills. In this video, I will be talking about the Elsevier e-learning platform, that is Elsevier Researcher Academy. This academy will help you to excel those skills within a test, and at the end of each courses you will get a free certificate. Believe me, this bundle of the courses will help you in each every aspect of your research and academic journey. So, let's first go to the Google and search for Elsevier Researcher Academy. Then click on Elsevier Research Academy link. For your convenience, I have provided the link in the description box. You are in the Researcher Academy. As you can see, there are various courses from such article writing and ethics and publishing and translating collaboration and many more. And also this academy also provides career planning courses and also mentorship program and helps you in many topics and your research journey. So check out these courses. To create your account, please click on this symbol. Then do your registration process and provide your email ID and for a account. You will get an email from their team which contain an specific link for further process. Please click on this link to complete the rest of the process to create your profile. Then sign in to your Researcher Academy learner account. To enroll for a specific courses, click on here. Then scroll down and click on the courses you want to learn, the topic you want to learn, and get skill on that topic. I've clicked on the specific courses. You can see about the courses, the modules, the contents, and duration of courses, and number of courses in this course bundle. To enroll for this course, click here. Then you are on the course page. In this pages you can download various important resources and materials from here. Read about the course and curriculum and the educator and their profile. I do recommend to join this discussion forum and to follow the instructor and this community. Click here and do follow them to get updated news on various topics. Once you are able to complete these courses, you can generate your certificate. See the completed courses by clicking on this tab bar. Generate the certificate of completion. Click here. Here you have your certificate which says your name, date of completion, and course name and modules. Here you can see the issue with regarding to the name. I have seen many researchers, many learners facing this problem. In this video, I will tell you how to resolve this problem. in the later part of this video. For that, go to the main tab and click on your profile page. Then click on edit profile. This will transit you to the next tab where you have to sign in first to edit your profile. As you can see here, profile name and username. This is a major problem because during registration you fill this information, but it changes here and join your both name together. To change the name, click on edit point, then remove your surname from the first name. In next section, do add your middle name followed by your surname, and in last section, do write down your complete name you want on your certificate. Once you have done with this all editing, please click on save, and you can edit many more options like organization, your address, and many other information and details. Then please click on sign out symbol and refresh your face and again sign in to your account. As you can see here, G change in the name of my profile name. To generate your certificate with correct name, please click on the certificate symbol, then click on download now, and here you can see the changes on your certificate. You can share this certificate on various social media platforms.
If you find this video very informative, please do like and also share among your friends and colleague group and also on various social media platform so they also get benefited. And please do write down your suggestion, comment, learning experience and what topic you want such kind of videos from various opportunity workshop, research and educational tools. Please do write down this in the comment box and do like to watch our other videos and subscribe to our channel and keep coming back to our channel so you never miss any opportunity. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.